Alright, got another one. We're gonna go see if we can diagnose this boiler, see what it does here. She don't run. Bolt it down. Put your fuel in it. All right. On the hose. That cock here. Yeah, they got fuel. Screwdriver. Son of a gun. All right. Come on. Well, see all that stuff. It's like jelly. And the silicone broke down in the fuel. And that's what all that, just one little added things you can do. So we're back together. Idle needs adjusted. Alright, let's adjust that idle. Alright, all buttoned up. I don't know if he's got that side down or not for it. Well, that's another one down. I hope y'all like the videos. I'll keep them coming. Please like and subscribe.